Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to dual boot Windows 10 and Linux Mint. Let's go. Before starting, I like to remind you that dual booting is a complex process, and if it harm your PC then I'm not responsible. The basic requirement for dual booting are a PC or laptop with Windows 10 or 8. Second thing is USB or DVD. Third thing is Linux Mint.iso file and Power ISO for making USB or DVD bootable. The first thing that we are going to do is creating a separate partition for dual booting. And for creating that, open run and type disk mgmt.msc. And after that you will be redirected to disk management window. And then right click on partition in which you have at least 20 GB storage. Then click on shrink volume. Here you need to type the space that we wish to give Linux Mint. And here I will give 20 GB space to Linux Mint, but you can give according to your wish. And make sure that it should be in MB. Here you can see we have 20 GB as unallocated space and we need to leave it as unallocated only. Now we will install Power ISO for creating a bootable USB. In this video I will show you how to create a bootable USB, but you can also use DVD, and if you don't know how to create a bootable DVD then click in the I button and follow the link. I have inserted my 32 GB pen drive and we will use this USB for installing Linux Mint. Now let's open Power ISO and make our pen drive bootable. After opening, go to Tools and select Create Bootable USB. In first option select the Linux Mint ISO file, and in second option select the USB drive. Now click on Start. We have successfully created our USB bootable to Linux Mint. Now I have created my USB bootable, so it's showing only 2.29 MB as total storage, and at last I will also show you how to make it a normal USB drive. Now it's time to install Linux Mint, so hold your Shift key and restart your PC and make sure that it only worked on Windows 10 or 8. After restarting you will redirected to this window, and here you need to select the second option, that is use a device. As we are using USB, so I will select EFI USB device, but if you are using DVD then select CD-ROM drive. Select the first option and wait. Click on Install Linux Mint. Select Language. This is an important step, and here you need to select Install Linux Mint alongside Windows Boot Manager, and if this option is not showing in your computer, then cancel it and do it again. Fill all the details. Now it's started installing, and it will take near about 20 minutes, so I'm skipping this part. Now installation of Linux Mint is completed, so let's open both of OS one by one. Now whenever we restart our computer, it will show us to select which OS we want to open, so let's open Windows first. Windows is working fine. Let's open Linux Mint. Linux Mint is also working fine, and it means that we have successfully dual booted our PC. Now let's convert our USB as normal USB. First, format your USB. Now we need to install Partition Master, and I will provide the link to download it in description. After installing, open it and do the same thing that I'm doing. Now you can see that our USB is fixed and working successfully. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.